That is Lama Island. Behind is the Mount Johnston of Lake Chao, and then Ocean Park. The part is the peak, Victoria Peak. The highest peak is the Black Link, and then Violet Hill. This is the Twin Wilson Trail, and then goes to this part is the Chong Ham Kok, and that is the Turtle Cove, Red Hill Peninsula. Behind is the Dragon's Back until there. That is the Stanley, and there is Cape de Aguilar. That is the Rhino Rock, the military camp here in Stanley, and we are here in Chong Ham Kok mountain. It's a hill, not a mountain. And that is artillery behind the rock. We're going there. I climbed this rock before. And that is the latest one, Ronalyn Bagtas. Charan, let's go. Let's move forward. There, we will go there. Oh, there's a yacht over there, and then 2 jet ski. See you later, guys.